Hello everybody, this is Steve Grizzetti, your man from MoviePix and the author of the MoviePix Guide to Adobe Premiere Elements. And here we are in Premiere Elements 2025 looking at some of the cool new features and tools that have been added to the program. Now, one tool that has slipped in sort of unannounced, but I think it's a major development for the program, is a semi-automatic or automatic tool for correcting color in your videos. So this happens sometimes. You bring your camera in from outdoors, the camera doesn't have a chance to automatically set itself for indoors, and you end up with something like what I have on the screen right now. This is a video that was shot. The camera was still set for outdoor color temperatures, which tend to be more blue. Indoor temperature tends to be a little more red, a little more yellow. And so this picture looks very orange, very red, very yellow. Now, we could struggle with correcting it by moving sliders around, but let's let the program do it for us. And so with this particular clip selected on our timeline, let's go to the toolbar on our right, select the toolkit, and from the toolkit, select color correction and grading. You notice we have LUTs in here, which we discussed in a different tutorial, but we also can correct the white balance. And in fact, there's an automatic button for doing it. We'll give that a try too. Let's see how it works. So if we do it semi-automatically, with this little sampler, this eyedropper, all I need to do is find a spot in my video that should be white. And I tell the program, shift everything so that that particular object is white and everything else should automatically correct. Let's see if it works. We'll select the sampler. I'm going to go to these shutters here in the center of the video, and if I just click on it with the sampler, watch what happens. Okay, it's still a little bit dark, but look at the colors. The colors are right on. They have just snapped perfectly right on. I can just bring up the exposure a little bit, and now I have a really nice picture. Take a look at before, take a look at after. That's with the little sampler here for correcting color. Now there's an automatic button here. Let's go ahead and reset everything and see what happens when we click automatic. If I click automatic, it should do the same thing, and it does a pretty good job of approximating what we did manually. So really nice tool here for color balance, color correction, for fixing those scenes that were shot with the wrong color temperature. And I think it's a real nice addition here to the program. Now, if you want to know more about these hidden tools and these great professional tools that are buried in the program, I hope you'll check out my book, The MoviePix Guide to Adobe Premiere Elements. It's available on Amazon.com, or check out the many tips and tutorials we have here at YouTube.com. I'm Steve Grizzetti, the man from MoviePix. I wrote the book, and I hope to see you again real soon. Take care.